In Oracle Apex, we start with a data model describing the information our app will manage. Then, to let users find, visualize, and modify that data, we create pages in Page Designer. In every page, to configure what data each region should display or edit, we use the declarative SQL language developers have loved for 50 years. For example, on a revenue overview page, while defining a chart, we can just type in the SQL if we know it, but the Apex Assistant offers a productive new approach using natural language. To show the sum of the amount due for patient procedures in the preceding 24 months, group by month, we just literally type those words. Apex Assistant generates the SQL statement, and our chart's working immediately. On another page showing recent medical procedures, to let end users report on a list of patient names, procedure descriptions, total amount, and doctor names for patient procedures in the past 60 days with the most recent ones first, we just type in that thought. Apex Assistant knows how our tables are related, so it generates the SQL with joins to get the job done. We roll out our report in record time. While working on our app, we can ask Apex Assistant for help on any questions or doubts we have about SQL, like, what's the difference between a join and a left outer join? Like having a personal SQL coach and mentor, it explains the answer with concrete examples to help us learn. Apex Assistant is also available in SQL Workshop, so we can use it to iteratively refine our queries. We start with a simple select showing patient names and just tell it what else we want the query to retrieve. Add a count of medical procedures done by each patient. It updates the query, and we run to see the new results. Add the cost of each patient's most expensive medical procedure in the last year, and only show the patients with at least one procedure, showing the most expensive ones first. This is really an amazing new way to be productive at building data-centric apps. If we write a query that encounters an error, we ask Apex Assistant to explain the error and help us fix it. Each interaction is a chance to learn as Apex Assistant helps us understand what went wrong and what to do instead. As Apex developers, using these same SQL skills, we can work with every kind of data imaginable. And no matter our skill level, the AI-powered Apex Assistant helps us write SQL, learn SQL, debug SQL, as well as write code using PL/SQL. But that's not all. While it can help us with any query we write, it can also kickstart our whole application creation process. In Oracle Apex, we can create an app with generative AI. We just explain the purpose of our solution in natural language, including the kinds of pages we want and any particular features we'd like the app to have, and the Apex Assistant proposes a set of pages and options that meet our needs. It's a conversation, so we can add additional options we think of, like access control list-based security and the ability for users to leave feedback. If we think of additional pages required, we just ask. We can request a faceted search page and a dashboard we forgot to mention earlier. When done, click Create Application to see an overview of the app to be created, and click Create App again to finish. It gives us a great head start for adding additional features that only we know how to do. The new Apex Assistant is ready to turbocharge all of our enterprise app development.